Jaswinder Singh Multani, a member of Sikhs for Justice, has been arrested in Germany for allegedly masterminding the blast at the Ludhiana district court that killed and injured as many as 5 people. He was arrested after India shared evidence to counter-terror agencies in Berlin. Sources stated that all the evidence was shared that was gathered from the blast spot and also how the conspiracy by Multani was hatched. The bomb blast on 23 December took place in a washroom on the second floor of the district court complex in Ludhiana at around 12:30 p.m. The counter-terrorism agencies investigating the incident had claimed that it was the former head constable of Punjab Police, Gagandeep Singh, who placed a bomb at the court complex and died as it suddenly went off, killing him on the spot. Gagandeep Singh, a former police head constable, was dismissed from the service for having links with a drug dealer. He was booked under the NDPS Act and lodged in jail for 2 years in this connection in 2019. The investigating team has also found that Pakistan's ISI was behind the blast and was in touch with Gagandeep Singh. During the probe, cops found the role of SFJ members Harvinder Singh and Jaswinder Singh Multani, who were based in Germany. They were in constant touch with SFJ President Avtar Singh Pannu and Harmeet Singh.